Today I'll be installing the AWE Catback Track Edition exhaust for the WRX VB Edition, since this one is too quiet for me. So I ended up going with the AWE Track Edition. I was looking at the other one, the Touring, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna want it more louder. So as you can see right here, because these are really quiet, man. Compared to the other mufflers, you can kind of hear that deep tone, like barely noticeable. But I just want something noticeable, like to me, so I could hear it, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna go with that. So let's see how it goes. Sticker, decal, or whatever you want to call it. Install guide. And the black, oh cool, lollipop. Watermelon, I'll take it. Hardware. Oh, these black tips look nice. Hell yeah. Right, put wood in front as well. Don't forget about that. Time to take out the stock one. Well, first of all, don't drop it like that. Well, that's one down. Another one down to go. Oh, I'm kidding. That's two of them. Now we just gotta do the middle. Well, my phone died, so either way, look at the size difference. Look at that. Look at that, man. I feel like this is like 2 inches and 1/4 around that. And then this is obviously 3 inches. My God, man. The size differential. Correct me if I'm wrong. Big boy. Small boy. Big boy. Small boy. But look at that. I mean, it looks like it's a resonator delete, but still. Here, there's one. Last but not least, well, second to last, other than the tips, it's pretty much the muffler delete part. Everything else has been really easy, to be honest, compared to the other ones that I've dealt with. It's much quick and easier, but not bad at all, to be honest. Really easy. Recommend it. Well, more like I recommend any exhaust after, other than the stock, but still, it's pretty nice. You can see here, actually looks really nice, pretty cool. Welded in there. Now it's the nice beautiful black tips, man. I was gonna go with chrome, but come on, black on black, why not? This will be sick. With the little hardware that came in, you know. Don't forget about that, guys. So let's do this, last part. And that's it, guys. Space wise, well, like how the gap is, no problem, honestly. It's like about a finger and a half. Right here, it's like a little bit of space. I could just like readjust it in a bit to make it look a lot better. And the left side as well, about a finger and a half. Here, there's plenty of space. I mean, same thing. I'll back up a little. All the stuff in the way. This actually looks pretty cool. Black on black. Get the shit out of here. Get out of here. You're ruining the view. No, but for reals, dude. This looks really awesome. Alright, let's put this down. Put everything away. Well, first put everything away. And then put it down. And then let's give it a start. But it looks right there. It looks fine. Guys, this sounds freaking awesome. This is livable. I like it. I don't regret getting the track edition, you know? I was kind of like iffy about the sound because like I'm not sure if it's gonna be too obnoxious since I live in an apartment complex. And then when you start that, it's pretty much going towards the apartments where I park at, like the sound. Well, hold up. Well, I was trying to say is that no matter how I park in my apartment complex, like the sound's going towards an apartment either way. So I'm pretty much like keeping an idea of like how my audio or the sound of the exhaust should be, so I don't get complaints from that. But from what I'm hearing, this is livable. I'll do some polls later in a bit. But it's like, it's Vegas, man. I can't be doing pulls at this hour. Just to show you guys how it sounds like from the outside. But in cabin, this is livable, man. You guys can't see this, but I'm smiling. Oh, man. Alright, so it's been about a week now since I've been using it. This exhaust without a muffler is not bothersome, to be honest. Not at all. I actually wish it was like a bit louder, or a little more louder for my taste, but I don't know if I should. I want to at the same time, but since I live in an apartment complex, it might annoy them. But also, if I were to get a J-pipe, downpipe, that means I have to get a tune, you know? You don't have to, but it's highly recommended from what I'm reading. But either way, I really love this exhaust, man. You hear it even more on throttle. But when you're cruising on the freeway, or like this right now, this is like a 25 mile per hour area. Right now I'm about 29-ish, 30. Just cruising. It's not annoying. But obviously if I'm on throttle, you hear it. But yeah, I don't regret this choice. It's it gives it that nice, beautiful, deep tone that this engine gives out. But yeah, man, if you got the chance to get it for your VB WRX, do it. I got the track edition. Even if I daily commute with this setup, I still recommend it. But if you get annoyed pretty easily, I guess I wouldn't recommend it. But then again, it's AWE. They tend to be louder than other exhaust. But yeah, man, this exhaust has my approval. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you in the next video. Leave a like, leave a sub if you want to see more. But have a good one, guys.